Hello guys, welcome in my MMM presentation. I am March Benitez, your presenter for the day. So today I will be discussing what is MMM, how it works, the MMM ideology, and our rules and regulations in MMM. So let's start in what is MMM. MMM is a global community of financial aid and donation exchange. MMM is not a bank, and it does not collect your money, and it is not an online business, investment, or MLM program. MMM has no central account, meaning we do not transfer our money to MMM. Instead, we send our donation directly to the recipient's account. MMM gives you a technical basic program which helps millions of participants worldwide to find those who need help and those who are ready to provide help for free. MMM is a community of people who wants to be financially free. MMM stands for Mavrodi Mondial Money Bank. And MMM successfully works more than 4 years in over 107 countries and has more than 138 million participants around the world. Who is the founder of MMM? Mr. Sergey Mavrodi is the founder and leader of the MMM, Social Financial Community. MMM is sure to be his life work, but not the only one. Sergey Mavrodi, having a degree in mathematics, worked as a programmer and took part in the development of the first operating system. The company he founded was one of the leading computer equipment distributors in Russia. He was a deputy of the Russian parliament, and his literary works were published and they are sold in bookstores. 2 of his screenplays were made into movies, and his poems were turned into songs. What is the ideology of MMM? The goal of MMM is to destroy the system of financial slavery by creating a new and fair financial relationship among people. How does MMM work? MMM is a community of people providing each other financial help on the principle of gratuitousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. We use Bitcoin infrastructure in our transactions. In MMM, you don't have to make contracts or pledge your property. In MMM, there are no lenders and no debtors. Everything is very simple. One participant asks for help, another one gives help. You ask for financial help when you need it, and you give financial help when you are able to do it. In their transactions, MMM participants operate with Bitcoin. It is the best possible way to organize smooth transfers between participants from different countries. MMM gives you 30% compounded rewards per month based on the amount you donated. In MMM, your donation is rewarded with Mavro. This Mavro value will increase 1% every day from the moment you provide your help, and the reward accrual is every Tuesday and Thursday at 8 a.m. Philippine time. The sum of your Mavro indicates how much in peso you can request or get help. 1 Mavro is equal to 1 peso. How does MMM work technically? So let's start with your personal office. This is how it looks like inside your personal office. If you want to declare the willingness to give help, just click the Provide Help button. And if you need financial assistance, just click the Get Help button. For example, you have announced your willingness to assist with 1,000 pesos. You will be rewarded in your personal office with 1,000 Mavro, and they will immediately start growing. A month later, this 1,000 will become 1,300 Mavro. Accordingly, you will be able to request assistance for 1,300 pesos. What's in it for me in joining MMM and what's in it for you. First is you will get 30% growth per month for the help you have provided. Second, you will get 10% referral bonus for every donation made by the members you personally invited to MMM. Third, you will get $20 or $50 or $100 bonus if for the first time you provided help or donated. And fourth, you will get 5% bonus for the video after you get help. After having registered and making the first donation, the participant receives a bonus in the amount of $20 bonus if he or she donated $50 to $499. $50 bonus if he or she donated $500 to $2,999. $100 bonus if he or she donated more than $3,000. A referral bonus. For example, this is you, and this is Marge, which is your direct invite in MMM. You will get 10% referral bonus based on the amount donated by Marge. Inviting new members into the community is your additional contribution to its development. But nobody forced the members of the community to invite new participants. You will get the bonus from each referral's new contribution, but only for new money. For example, if you provide assistance of 1,000 pesos, you will get 100 pesos bonus. In after that the participant takes out 1,500 and then provided assistance of 2,000 pesos, the bonus will be credited only for the input or output difference. Example for 1,500 pesos, the computation is like this. 1,000 minus 1,500 plus 2,000 equals 1,500. In the total bonus, you will make up 150 pesos but not 200 pesos. Our guiders bonuses. Guiders of MMM community can create their own multi-level structures and get a bonus from each donation of every participant in their structure. This is a multi-level bonus, thus a guider can have his own leader whose rank is higher. Guiders bonuses are credited in the same way as referrals, but only from new money deposited and will be available to withdraw after confirmation of your help provided. Guider's bonus depends on his level in the community. For example, this is the guider. On the first level, you will get 10%. On the second level, you will get 5%. 3% on your third level. 1% on your fourth level. 0.05% on your fifth level. 0.03% on your sixth level. 0.1% on your seventh level. 0.05% on your eighth level. And 0.03% on your ninth level, and 0.01% on your 10th level, up to infinity. So the lottery. All participants of the community with confirmed Mavros have the opportunity to participate in weekly lottery. To take part in the lottery, you don't have to pay or use your Mavro. All you have to do is guess the number and click your number mentioned. The draw is every Wednesday, 3 p.m. Philippine time. Is MMM legal? MMM connects millions of participants worldwide, those who need help and those who are willing to provide help. Participants are providing help by their own good and absolutely gratis. They are providing help with their own money, from which all taxes have already been paid, and there is no law in any country that forbids people to share its money with others. The rules and regulations in MMM. It has a principle of one account per participant. Each participant should have their unique Bitcoin wallet. You can make your guider your confidant if you are a beginner. The relative rule: if the referral is relative, the sum of his or her contributions should be less or equal to yours. The general rules in MMS. The amount of the assistance you provided turns into a MABRO, a conventional unit in MMM system. If the participant provided help of 1,000, he will be rewarded with 1,000 MABROs. Your MABROs grow 30% per month, frozen for 2 weeks. And these are the only few of what you will enjoy of being a participant of MMS. So what are you waiting for? Join now and be an MMS participant. Thank you for watching this video.